guys, Cook and Inspire back in the kitchen again with what? Chef Garnet. Yeah man, today it's not our usual cook up video, step by step, stage by stage video. This one is going to be more like a vlog, you know, because I'm not at home, I'm in a kitchen, industrial kitchen at the moment. We're cooking for a function. Yes guys, I'm going to be turning my grandfather very soon. So I'll be cooking for my daughter's baby shower. Alright, so we're doing a lot of cooking today, and most of my meat already seasoned from overnight. I didn't get to see, just to show you those part of the video guys, because it was so much, you know, so yeah. So I already seasoned my goat, my fish, my chicken, and so forth. But I'll be showing you when I'll be cooking it, you know, look with the packet. So guys, over here we got my wife. Maybe I've used more already, so
I'll be doing the macaroni and cheese and the chicken and the goat and the rice and peas.
It's good that somebody will be doing that. You know, so I can go home and rest. Go home and rest. Alright, so yes guys, this is what I have to put up with when I'm in the kitchen. So I'm behind the camera with that sachet. She'll be helping out a lot today. You know. And when we get to the venue, this video is probably going to be 2-part. I'll be doing an extra little thing there. Yes, and if possible, we're going to have probably an extra video person, which is Travelers Influencers. Should be joining us very soon. So hopefully we'll see. Yeah? So Travelers Influencers, pick up yourself. If you haven't yet subscribed to him, please go over there and get him to 1K. Okay guys? Okay, soon we'll reach 1K, so please go over there, subscribe to this channel, put on the post notification and get it to 1K. So yeah, people, pick up yourself. Over here, so we have to chop up some garlic and some ginger. As you know, say, I have to put them in the curry goat. So stay tuned, let me put them in the pot. Let's see what I want.
That says Cook and Inspire. Where is it?
What?
My uniform.
Really?
Yeah.
So that's a uniform, isn't it?
So, look at how I Cook and Inspire. Seriously? Where's the brand? Where's the logo?
That will come in soon. And over here we got sachet, no? Sachet, eat.
That's not true. Mom, you have 2 members. That's mango.
Yeah, so yes guys, so over here we got all our ingredients that I'll be using.
That's how you cook macaroni.
Yeah. You make your pot with some water, a bit of salt and some oil. Then you bring the water to a boil, and then you add your macaroni. Simple.
That's for sure.
Huh? You know, I want 3 fish today for myself. 3.
One treat.
You didn't even finish your Sunday dinner. But you just want free fish.
So I feel like we can eat a lot. So we need 3 fish here, chef.
What do you make for? Yes, so we're going to do some fried dumpling, special fried dumpling. You know, can't give away too much of these ingredients, but it's called a cinnamon dumpling. You know, cinnamon dumpling, or we will call it cinnamon jelly cake. This one is definitely just one, you see, nice and fluffy. So what we do, we just put the butter in, the baking powder. Mix it up. Over here we got our mix to do it. We got our milk, like sugar, cinnamon, and other ingredients in there. So we're gonna knead up this thing here. get the butter and the flour combined together. Yeah, man, so you know, so that's how we do it. We're making in the kitchen. Extraordinary. You want?
What are you doing, Mom?
I'm looking for the paper towel.
Nice.
I'm going for tea break now. Tea break time?
You have to get out this way.
Yeah. I'm working today at the table.
Really?
So you wrote it down, please, just come.
You're late.
Yeah. 3 hours late. 3 hours.
1 hour. At 10. Yeah.
Tell us what you're making then.
I'm making the coleslaw. We got shredded cabbage.
I'm not going Tesco. Mom's going Tesco.
I'm not.
Why are you not going?
Where am I there? I'm near my there. Hey, with me I grew up, you know, when I'm one go yesterday.
Why is my shop after over there?
No. You want anything?
Oh, okay.
No.
Yeah, man, we had some sauce with some macaroni and cheese, you know? You know, just you have to do the sauce, make it nice. Melt up your cheese and put your ingredients together.
Yeah, we're here looking over some sweet and sour chicken.
Barbecue chicken. It's barbecue chicken.
No. Where did it come from?
It's barbecue, not sweet and sour.
Wow.
Barbecue chicken.
No. Sweet and sour. Alright, then barbecue. What kind of barbecue did you have with it? That's awesome. You're fine. I thought I did barbecue. That's with the people then. Mad. Okay.
It's a lot of macaroni. Oh, you can't see. You're not going to open your goat pot?
Steam up the
How old is somebody else, sir?
Photographer.
How are you going to now, brother?
Sort out some little pickle. You know, I'm here with the big over here, sir.
How can I be glad?
Oh, look, jerk chicken.
I think,
Roast fish.
I know the
No.
Oh, yeah, no, yeah.
And look out, swim around with, you know, look at corn in our back page, yeah, so. You see what I say?
That's the other one. Yeah, that one. That's kind of dust.
So Jen, so over here we have Jen.
Yes.
Mash up two fish and thing and enjoying herself in the weather.
Playing Scrabble.
Alright. Over here, so how is?
Up.
Is that Traveler's Boss?
Traveler's Boss is here.
Alright.
Yeah, man,
we're hanging out with the Travelers
How old is?
and the Cook and Inspire. And the King Man.
How old is over here, sir?
Gotti. Hey.
See you there?
You know, I tell you why we call him John Gotti, you know. Work it out for yourself.
Alright.
Let me see what's happening over here now.
You're getting me. I'm totally full. That's the best meal I've eaten.
in this year.
Right.
I'm just
And who cook it? Who cook it?
And cooking inspired cooked that for me. And I'm even happier that I don't even have to do the washing up after. Wow. Very happy. Just
Oh bless. Oh bless. Oh bless. All right. What's happening over here so now? What's popping over here now? Is this Atta?
Yeah.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Enjoy your meal. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy your meal. How is this?
How is that? Alright.
So what going over here so now? How going over here so?
I'm good. Blessings, baby's coming.
Cool.
It's a blessing, man.
Alright. So what is over here so now? Mr. Clinton? Alright.
Everyone subscribe to the Inspire.
Alright, what them who them subscribe
He's
to?
eating right, courtesy of Cook and Inspire. You get it?
Alright.
The right stuff.
Alright.
Let me see what going over here now. Let me see what them do with the food.
The food done.
Food done?
Chicken almost
Alright,
done.
what you got over there? So look up barbecue chicken.
Done
We
now.
have water leaf over there, sir.
Done now.
Oh, what's this? What's this over here, sir? What's some dumpling over there? What's this over here, sir?
Yeah, the jackpot. Done.
Oh, you got some chow mein there? What is?
The mac almost done.
Mac and cheese. Them devour it, innit? So, what's this over here, sir? Curry goat.
Done.
Boy, Billy goat done, boy. Rice and peas. Yeah, man, so everybody's having a good time still.